Good morning, guys. Mr. Parisi here, and today we are talking about part one of our final project where we look at our career. So what you need to do is figure out what career you want to have for this project. Once you do that, all you got to do is write it down. So maybe you want to be a welder. That's what I'm going to choose. Next thing is you're going to have to find the starting salary. So we're just going to be Googling this stuff to see what our starting salary is going to be. So I would Google welder starting salary, and I'm in New York State. Now, sometimes you're not going to get just a nice, easy answer right at the top. There's some different ranges right here. So I'm actually going to click on one of these, and sometimes you got to follow one of the links to get a little more information. So here it says in New York, the average salary is $46,402. Now that is average. We're looking for a starting salary. And it looks like the range is between these two numbers. So if I was just starting out, it would probably be the lower number. So my salary is going to be $41,208. So then I would go back to my project and I could write that in. So $41,208. In order to make this my monthly income, remember, I'm going from salary, which is per year, okay, to monthly. All I have to do is divide by 12. Okay, this is going to get us our monthly income. So I'll take that 41,208 divided by 12, and it looks like per month I am making $3,434. And we can go ahead and write that in here. $3,434. That's going to come into play later in this project, but for now we can just leave it as that. So that's part one of the career. Up next, we need to do 3 of our day-to-day tasks. Again, if you're not sure, you can go right to Google and go to welder day-to-day tasks. All right, and there's going to be a bunch of different things that pop up. In this case, we've got 4 different things that pop up right here. You could use 3 of those bullets. You can go into one of these websites and try and find a little bit of information. We've got a day in the life of the welder. I'm sure I'd be able to find some day-to-day responsibilities looking through this article. So it might take you a couple clicks. You might have to follow a couple links, but you'll be able to figure out what exactly your career does, and you're going to give me 3 of those things right here. Same thing, you can Google what are the likely hours a welder would work. That might be a job where there's multiple shifts, one in the morning, one during the middle of the day, a night shift. I don't know. That's what you have to figure out. Google it, try and figure out what your hours are. And last but not least, after you've done this little bit of research and looked at the day-to-day responsibilities and the hours, you should be able to say why you think this would be a good fit for you. Use complete sentences. Okay, I don't want this to be a bulleted list. You have space here, write in complete sentences. I think this job would be a good fit for me because I am yada yada yada. Okay, then why is it not a good fit, or what's something you don't like about it? So maybe when you were going through those day-to-day responsibilities, you said, ooh, that doesn't sound like a lot of fun, or being a welder is a lot of hard manual labor. I don't know if I would like that. Again, complete sentences. So this should be more than 1 line. All right, you have 5 or 6 lines here. I'm expecting you to write something and in a complete sentence. So make sure you do that. Once you're done with that, you are actually done with the first part of your project, and you are good to go from here. So we'll see you in the next video.